welcome back to our podcast. This is our second episode, and I can't believe that we're filming the second episode now. Like we are
Same.
following through with whatever we
I
decided.
thought it's gonna be like one episode and then just oh,
Yeah,
this is like not working out. And then
yeah,
this is like, oh, we
because we
kind of
kind of
had a habit of
yeah,
giving up things like
yeah,
halfway.
yeah. But we did not give in to that habit because we did have a few discussions after filming the first podcast. But
Yeah,
we kind of decided to not ignore it, but we took the criticism or whatever mistakes that we made, and now we are trying to make them better or do it like a different way. So I think I'm proud of like ourselves,
yeah,
of
same,
us,
same.
that we're doing it like still.
I think the first like point that we have like in the whole first episode is the voice being like funky, the
Yeah,
background noise being like just crazy. So I
yeah,
think this is like the first criticism that everybody like we previewed the first
the
episode
first
to had
episode.
the complaint or something. So then
Yeah,
I hope that this audio is much better. I really
yes.
hope that. And so what is the topic for today, then we?
So today's topic is going to be life in our 20s. So if you
Ah,
guys don't know, the both of us are 22 years old and we're gonna turn 23
very soon. I'm like scared.
in
I'm
like
very
3-4
scared.
months. That is
Yeah,
so
like that is
scary.
actually scary.
And I know people who, I don't think people above 30 will maybe listen to this, but if there are people who above 30, they must be like rolling their eyes ki, oh my god, like they're just turning 23
This
and
is
like
so extra. They are
yeah,
so
like
dramatic.
yeah. But I'm so sorry, but we are actually scared. But I think before talking, we'll start with the
Main
actual.
topic.
Yeah, let's update ourselves on what we've been up to, because
Yeah.
I think we've met after like 2 weeks,
Yeah,
which is
like
a
I
long
think
time.
the last time we met was like 1 week ago, but it was just like very less time and then we just could not like talk a lot. So
Ah.
so how have your 2 weeks been?
So I think so. I have my preparatory leave going on right now. I have my final exams from next week. So nothing. I don't think I've been doing anything fun. I have just been studying, and I am like currently watching a lot of Turkish dramas. Ria, have you ever like watched
No,
any
I
Turkish
really
dramas?
want to watch them. I'm not
Like
joking. Like that is like on my list that I want to watch a
they are
Turkish
so
drama.
fun. They are so toxic. Okay, the one that I'm currently watching is so toxic, but I still just love watching it.
Oh my
Like I want
god.
to know what's happening.
Yeah, like I think you should send me like the link. I really
Yes.
want to watch one. And
Yeah.
I think that I have like a bit of free time right now, so I'll be doing that
Yes, you
at
can
night.
like watch it and like
Yeah.
solve your sums.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Or
can do that.
yeah,
I can.
yeah.
So I think that is what I'll be doing.
Yes. I mean, I think I would say that the 2 weeks that I was supposed to study, I have been doing things apart from studying. So I was watching the dramas and I was reading. So I was reading the third book in the Fourth Wing
Okay, okay,
series, and I
okay.
still have not finished it. I have 25% left. No, 20% left, and I just want to finish it. But
I just know
if I
you
pick
will
it
do
up
it
right
like
now, yeah,
no, don't pick it up
yeah,
right now. Like pick it up after your exams are done
yeah,
because
and
I just know you will like forget studying. I
yeah.
know you.
And I want you to read the series. I am waiting for you to read it
Oh
so that I can
yes, like
discuss it with you.
no, I'm gonna like start. You know what? Like that is like one of our things. Oh my god! Like let's talk about the vision board. So as a
Yes.
joke, I had put like 1k followers on my vision board just as a joke. Okay, in January we had no conversation about it, and I put it like, and now we've started a podcast, which is like so full circle. But
Yeah.
like that is like a side topic. But on my
Yeah.
vision board, I had put like I need to start reading books again. So I'm going to like follow through with that.
That's crazy. Were you reading like often last year or
No, like I feel like I was like a very avid reader like before.
yeah.
Like I used to love reading and then I have just stopped doing that, which is so
Yeah.
bad. Like I don't want to do that. Like I
Yeah.
think last year I read like two books, which is terrible.
Yeah.
I
I mean,
know that is
it's not
terrible.
terrible, but
It
it's
is, it
you
is.
want to like
No, I want
continue
to
reading.
like
Yeah.
I used to love reading books and I want to like do that again. And
Yeah.
I was like the type of person who I need to finish that book. Like I will not do
Yeah.
anything. I will like just leave everything aside. I won't eat, I won't drink. Like I need to finish the book.
Exactly.
So I want that like that feeling and just like too
Yeah.
nice. I
It's
want
very
it.
addicting. I think Ria, we should start reading books because there's a lot of
Oh
movie like
yeah.
movies coming out based on book adaptations.
Project Hail Mary.
Yes, which I read. I had forgotten about it, but I had read that book in my ninth standard, and I don't remember like a lot
We need
about
to
it.
still go watch it.
Yes,
We'll watch it.
Ria's gonna go this Sunday, right?
But you can come with me.
I don't want to.
Oh yeah, your
Third
exams are
week.
there. I'm so sorry.
Oh yeah,
I kind of forgot
my
about
exams.
that. Your don't
I was
forget
like, I
about
don't
your
want to
exams.
third wheel you, but then yes.
No, but you kind of forgot about
Yeah,
your
my
exams.
exams.
Don't forget about your exams.
No.
But oh my god, you have been like very MIA, and I have also been
Yes.
very MIA. Like me and Tanvi are like some people. Like we don't text. Like which
Yeah.
is the most weirdest thing I feel. Like all the
Yeah.
best friends, like they give like the smallest update, but me and
Yeah.
Tanvi are like non-texters.
I mean, we update each other, but it's like after everything has happened. Like it's not.
like it's 2 weeks later. Oh, like
Yeah.
this happened like
Yeah,
2
yeah,
weeks, and it's like I don't think we are like very big on texting. Like
Yeah.
we like call or we meet. Like
Yeah.
I don't think we ever text, or
Yeah.
you know, like how people are like, this is happening, like what should I say
Yeah.
or something. I don't think we are like that.
But I feel like it's kind of a lot of work to text because we have such long stories to tell each other. I think it's very irritating to just keep
Yeah.
texting, so we just call each other and then we have like 2 hour long conversations. It's never like a short.
Do you
Phone call.
remember one time, which is like so, one time we like talked for 4 hours on the call. I remember that. And my mom was like, why did you just not go and meet her? Like, what sense did it make for you to have like a 4 hour call? And I do agree, we live like 5 minutes away.
Yeah. Sometimes it's just too lazy. It's like just
Yeah.
lying on our beds and talking.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
it's
it
always
is.
fun. Like the relief that I feel when I am like talking to Ria because I'm just ranting out everything.
That was today.
Yeah, that was today and yesterday, or whenever we had like our
I
last
don't
phone
remember.
conversation. I
Oh,
think-
yeah. No, like, it was when I was coming back from Mumbai.
Oh yeah, Ria, please tell me what you did in like the last 2 weeks.
So, my last 2 weeks, so like 2 weeks were kind of really hectic also. I got very sick because of that, but that is not like the point. But what happened is like I had like, because it was like year end right now for Indian like financial statements or whatever, like
Yes.
financial year. So then we had like a lot of work in office, and then it was like pretty hectic. And then I was working on the weekend, which sucked really, but that's
Yeah.
fine. Like now it's over, so I'm like happy about it. And then after that I kind of went to Mumbai, and it was like very fun. Like my Masi, she had come to Mumbai, and my brother, he stays in Mumbai, so I was like living with them. And I did what I really want to do when I go to Mumbai. That was go to Benny, which is I feel like I'm too late to the party, but I really wanted to go to Benny. And we went there like we had dinner, and then my brother was like, did you not want to go to Benny? So I was like, yeah, I didn't want to, but I was thinking like I'll go for breakfast.
Oh, I did not know that you went there after having your dinner.
No, like, do you remember when we had gone there? We had the dabeli like near
Yeah,
his
yeah,
like
yeah.
house. But
Yeah.
that day it was really not nice. Like I did not like it that day. I don't know if you had liked it or not that day when you
That
had
so
it.
when we had gone,
Yeah,
I remember liking it. I'm not sure.
I had not really loved it, but then he was like, no, like I'll bring dabeli. So then he got dabeli for us,
Yeah.
and then I had it, and it was like nice. Like it was nice, okay.
Yeah.
So then I had a dabeli. Then he was like, oh, like they have like a cook. So then he had asked them to make like pav bhaji. So then he was like, oh, but if you want to go to Benny, like don't have a lot of like food like right now. And then we went to Benny like at night, because he was like, in the morning it'll be
Oh.
too crowded.
Correct.
And then like it was crowded when we went. We went at 10:30, and we had to wait like 30 minutes.
That is. Oh my god.
I was like at night, but then it's okay, like it's fine. I
But
was just very excited to eat it, so I did not mind at all.
how was it? Was it like overrated, underrated, appropriately rated?
I think it is very appropriately rated. I loved it. Like I genuinely loved it. In Pune, I think like I love the dosa at Bangalore Tiffin Room.
Yes.
Like for me, that is like a 10 on 10. It is
Yes.
genuinely a 10 on 10.
The
And
garlic, whatever.
no, I don't like the garlic one.
Oh.
Also, that is what happened, okay? Like, this is exactly what happened. So, I don't really like the garlic one, and we had gotten like a podi one and then like a normal one. And then by mistake, they did not. The normal one is like my favorite one, like, which is so like, I'm so like,
No,
bland, but it's fine.
the
best.
default of it, and it's
Like the best,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
feel
yeah.
like. It's like, if you want to like test a dosa, like that is
Yeah.
what you need to have, like the most normal one. But like by mistake they did not give us like the normal one, and then they gave us like the garlic one instead. So I was kind of sad about it. So
Yeah.
I'm just like, this is like my excuse to go back to Mumbai and go have Benny like again.
Yes. You
When
should have
are we
gone for
going?
breakfast the next day.
But like I was like with my
Yeah.
mom and my Masi, and then they wanted to go shopping. So
Yeah.
it was like,
Yeah. We should go to Mumbai.
oh
We'll go
my
and
god,
meet.
we are planning. Yeah.
Why am I
Bye-bye.
telling everybody when we're going to go sometime in the near future?
We'll plan it.
Yes.
We need to like plan it, and
We have
then
a lot of
just go.
things that we want to do in Mumbai.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yeah.
I have a whole list, and I'm too
Yes.
excited for them. Like
What are you like the most excited for there?
like I think I had sent it to you like on Instagram or something, but there was like a yacht party at
Yes.
like the Gateway of India,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
or in India Gate. It's not India Gate. It is Gateway of India.
Gateway of India. I was like, where is she going with this?
No, it's at Gateway of India, and then there's like a yacht party, and I really, really, really want to do that. Like,
Is that like is that every week or every day,
I
or
have no idea.
we
Okay,
have
so like we
to
need to check it, and I don't even know if it's still there or not. So I don't want to get my hopes high hopes. Sorry, I don't want to get my hopes high right now.
yeah.
But hopefully it is, and
I
we can do
am
that.
I am like the most excited for the food. Like I feel like I'm such a foodie. I want to go to Pomodoro.
Oh
What is it?
yes,
Yeah.
I'm really excited. Like after listening to you, like I know you are like the biggest Pomodoro. Like
Yeah, it's always coming on my feed. It's just like always there. So I just need to go there.
now I'm too
We-
excited
Yeah.
like to do that because I have been
Yes.
listening to that from so long.
Yes. It's like I feel like people would, because I just mentioned that we're 22 years old, people would think that it's very easy for us to just, oh, like if we want to go to Mumbai, we can just up and go.
Oh my god.
It's just not that easy.
Now that we have just started this, like I think we need to get into our today's topic because
Yes.
that is like, how did you think that life was like, you know, when you were younger?
Yeah.
What did you think like life would look when, maybe like when you were like 10 or 12 or
Yeah.
15 either,
Yeah.
like how did you think life would be at 21 or 22, and then how
Yeah.
it is actually, like
So
give me like a picture.
picture. So when I was small, maybe not 15, but when I was like 10 years old, I knew that my parents had gotten like married when they were very young. So my mom was maybe 23 years old. So I always thought that when I turned 20, 22, I would be like married.
Oh
And then
my
because I
God.
always I was such a funny child. Like when children, I feel like, and I don't think it was just me. I feel like all children are always thinking of their future, like, oh no, I want to get married, I want to go to the grocery store alone and shop by myself, I don't need my mom, like I want to decide what to buy.
That
I
is
want
so
that I
cute.
was that type of person, like I wanted to I wanted to grow big, and I wanted to wash like dishes in my own house. Like I was such a weird person, but then I changed, obviously. I always thought that I would, like, get married, and I thought that I would have like my own house, and I would have like I always wanted to like have children. That is very backwards of me, I feel like. But no, I
No,
think it's
it's
okay
not.
for people to
It's
not
not
do anything, and
backwards.
yeah, you're
It's
right.
not
You're
at all
completely-
backwards. It's like
But
it's their person's choice, and I feel like
Yeah,
there is no choice that is wrong.
yeah, that is correct. If people want to be like a homemaker and they don't want to like
I
work,
think
and if
that
they just
is
want to become a mother, I feel like that is their choice.
And I feel like that is great, to be very
Yeah.
honest. Like that is like so sweet that you want to do that.
Yeah.
Like I genuinely feel like that is very
Yeah.
sweet.
But I wanted that, and then now I've realized that life is just not the way that I pictured it.
Oh my god, yeah.
I
True.
thought I would be very independent. Like I thought I would not have to ask my parents still for like permission to go to stay out till 10 p.m.
I literally remember our moms being like, "Oh my god, when are you coming home?"
Yeah.
Like from dance, whenever you,
Yeah.
oh my god, we used to go to a dance class together. But
Yeah.
it used to kind of get like late while coming home, and our parents used to be like freaking out and then being like,
Yeah.
"Why are you going so late? Like, you know, you need to be on time."
Yeah.
And then it was like a whole conversation. Like
Yeah.
it was
Every single time.
yeah. And then
Yeah.
we used to obviously like get late sometimes, and then whenever like the show used to come like nearer, we used to get like more late and late
Yeah.
and late, and then it used to like just our parents like used to be like so done with us. They used to be
Yeah.
like, just shut up and then come home.
The last couple of months, like before the show, used to be so hectic for us, and our parents were just done with us. I feel like my parents were like,
Same.
"Tu please tikde jaun raha." is
Oh, yeah,
my-
yeah,
what
yeah.
my mom said.
My mom was just like, do you not see like what you are doing in your life? You are like putting so much effort into this while you could be like putting
Yeah.
effort into your own like career, like studying and this and that and all of that, like
Yeah.
basic mom things.
Yeah.
basically.
But it was fun.
It was fun. I will have to say it was
Yeah.
fun.
But how, like, what about you, Ria? Like, how did you picture your life when you were like small?
So
Not
I
like
thought
this.
I would have my own house. I don't know why, but when I was like small, or maybe when I was small, I don't know actually how I used to think. But what I do remember is like me being like 15, and I feel like I've always grown up to hate men, which is like, I don't know. That is like a
Same.
conversation that we should put in another another.
But
But
I'm so
that's
sorry
why
to
I don't want
interrupt
to be
you.
like married.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I am just interrupting you. Is that like maybe like because we had like we used to go to like an all girls school? Is that maybe one of the reasons?
I feel like it might be, but no, I don't know what it was. I was like, boys are like too irritating, like they are too annoying, like, and maybe
Yeah.
I never had to like deal with them in school, so I was like, I don't want to deal with them like outside. And then,
Yeah.
so when I was like, not 15 is like too old, I feel like, but when I was like maybe 12 or 13, my thing was like, oh, I'm like gonna get my own house. I'm gonna be like so independent, and I'm gonna like do everything. I don't need a man. I don't need anything, like, you know.
Yes.
And then, but I did also think like I thought that, oh, I'll be like married when I'm like 26, but like that is a
Yeah.
is I don't know what will happen like
Yeah.
coming
Yeah.
like further, but
Yeah.
that is what I used to think. And then one thing that I thought was like, oh, I'll be like partying. That is so not what is happening. Like I need to like ask my mom every time that I'm going out, like, Mama, like,
Yeah.
please let me go out, Mama, please, Jani do, like
Yeah.
all of that. And then I
Yeah.
have to like convince her ki, like, you know, like she's like, oh, if you've gone out like yesterday, why you going today?
Exactly. Which I
That
don't.
is like Indian parents. I
Yeah.
feel like it's like, if you went out and had fun yesterday, you cannot go out and have fun today.
Yeah. It's like you can't have fun 2 days in a row.
And then if it's like, if I'm going to like a party, I need to tell her, and which is like, and I know that I'm 22 and this is like really bad. I get it, but I have to be home by like 12 o'clock, and that is when like all the parties start, and then I'm like at home, and I'm like 22, and I know it is like, but that is what I thought, like I'll be like partying, I'll be like having my
Yeah.
own house, and then I won't have to ask my mom for permission because it'll be my house. I can do whatever I want. I can
Yeah.
just do whatever. Like wear whatever I want. Is like, it's fine. Like my mom
Yeah.
lets me wear whatever I want.
Yeah.
Like she does not care that much.
Yeah.
That much.
No
She does
complaints
has
in
like,
that. Yeah.
she has like a few points, but then she
Yeah.
knows I'm not gonna listen to her, so it's
So,
okay. So I'm
but
happy about that. But yeah, like I was like, I'm gonna be like independent. That was like my thing.
yeah, I mean, I think that you're not independent.
Not at all.
You are getting to it. I feel
I
like
don't
you. I don't
think
know.
so. Like I
She
don't
was like,
know.
I don't think so.
I don't think
I don't know what
at all.
you're thinking.
I don't think. I feel like I just think like that. Like right now, I like being like with my mom and my dad. Like I like living with them, and I know like a lot of people like live on their own, which is like very
Yeah.
scary to me.
I feel like they are very brave, because it's not even about like living alone. It's about doing everything. Like you don't have somebody with you all the time. Like I just cannot imagine living without my mom. Like she's always there. Like if I need anything, she's like there. Oh, I can like
know.
call my dad or something. He's like at office or whatever. But if you're living alone, you really don't have anyone. Like you can call your parents or whatever, but it's like,
Yeah.
what if there's like a cockroach in your room? Like what are you gonna do? I'm too scared of
Stop.
insects.
Stop.
I'm
I'm so sorry. This just reminded me. I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I'm very sorry. But what happened is like I came from Mumbai and we came home at like pretty late, okay, 12:45, and then my dad had come to pick us up like at the like wherever
Yeah.
he had come to pick us up, and then he was like parking the two wheeler, sorry, parking the car, and
Yeah.
then me and my mom, we came over, and then I had the key, so I opened the door, okay, and then so we have like two doors, like a grill and then the door.
Main
So
door.
then when I was opening the, what is it called, like a
The latch.
the latch,
Yeah.
was opening the latch, and there was this one freaking huge lizard. I'm not even joking. I screamed so
Oh my
loudly at
God.
12:45 at night. I'm not joking, but I was so loud and I was so scared, and then I had to wait. Like me and my mom, we just left from there. We asked my dad to come and then remove it. So that is like, if that
Yeah.
happened when I was living alone, I would not go home. I would
Exactly.
stay niche. I would live in the car. I would not go home. That
Same.
lizard was not moving, bro.
Lizards are like like, I don't know, this is a very weird thing for me to say, but earlier lizards used to be scared of human beings, and now they are just not. I feel like they just
They
stay
have
there.
adapted to
Yeah.
our, what is it? What is that? Charles.
Evolving,
like,
evolution, the life
evolution
Charles
theory.
Darwin.
Yeah.
Yes.
They have like
Fifth
evolved,
standard.
and then they have just stopped
Being
being scared, and that is more
Yeah.
scary to me because I'm very scared of them, and I know that they are
Same.
very small, and I'm like
Yeah.
huge, but I'm still very scared of them.
No, same. Any like crawling creature, I'm scared of. Like I'm so sorry.
I'm scared of dogs too. Like this is, I know they don't do anything, but I'm scared. Like I love them from
Yeah.
afar. I
But
love
I
them
think you have
from
become more acquainted to them. I think now you touch them, so that is like progress. Like now you're not that scared.
yeah. Like I think I don't show my fear that much now.
Maybe.
I am scared.
Okay.
I don't show it now. Like I
Understood.
have stopped screaming now. I
Yeah.
have just started to be a bit
Yeah.
calm.
But yeah,
Corrected.
do you want to tell everybody about your like the two-wheeler dog theory? Because I would never do that, and you have started doing that, which is
Oh,
kind of
Oh yeah.
uh
So So what happened is like this is what my friends have like two of my friends have taught me. So they say that if you're going on a two-wheeler and the dogs start like running like behind you, you need to like slow down or stop, which is like the most opposite of human instinct because I
Yeah.
would never do it.
Yeah.
And then I have tested it out, okay, because obviously like where I stay, obviously there are dogs which I hate. I mean, I don't hate them, okay, but don't come running after me. I'm scared of you.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
I'm genuinely scared of you.
Yeah, just stay where you are.
And they are very scary,
Chill.
okay. Like, so what, like if you go like faster, they run behind you like very fast, which is more scary to me. Like it's like, oh my god, please stop, 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 stop. But I think that if you like slow down, then it's fine. Like
Yeah.
they stop, you know, they
Because they
actually
get
stop.
confused. I
Yeah,
guess.
like they're like, oh, why is she stopping?
Yeah. But
But
that is
yeah.
like a very interesting thing that I learned quite recently from Ria.
Yeah,
a lot-
I think a dog was behind us and I
Yeah,
did
yeah,
that,
yeah.
and you were more scared.
And I was like, Ria is stopping. Like, I was very confused. I was like, Ria is like more scared of dogs than me. I don't think I'm scared of dogs. I
Love
just,
dogs.
yeah, I want a dog. My mom's not letting me get a dog.
No, I know.
Do
When
you
you
want a
get them-
dog? No. Yes, like, no, thank you.
I love them from afar.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like my
Yeah.
theory is to love them from afar.
Would you ever get a pet?
I
Like
think
any?
I think I would be like, first of all, I'm very scared of everything. Like I know that is so like
Yeah.
not like lover girl of me, but I don't think I'm a lover girl. But anyways, I'm very scared of like things. I'm scared of dogs.
But
I'm scared of
understandable.
cats.
Yeah.
I don't like. I feel like to keep a fish, it's like too much work to like
Yeah.
feed them at the same time, and then
Yeah.
so I feel like I would just not get one.
No, that's understandable. I feel like we've just been blabbing and we've just forgotten
Oh,
the
what the topic was.
So our topic was life in our 20s. So then did you complete your point of how
I
you
think, yeah,
envision
like,
your 20s?
yeah,
Like your
I
life
just,
in 20s?
I just thought that I would have my own house. I would be partying.
Yeah.
I would be having like a lot of fun. I would be going out every single day. I would
Yeah.
not have to ask my mom for permission. That was my biggest point. Cause like, why do I need to ask for permission? It's not fair. Like,
Yes.
you know, like,
Yeah.
you know how it's like
Yeah.
you are when you are just you have just turned a teenager. It's like,
Yeah.
you know, like you're
Yeah.
like angry all the time, and
Yeah.
like that was me. Like, oh, you just see, I'm gonna like move out of this house. And I'm
Yeah.
gonna be like, oh, I thought that I would be like earning like in lakhs and everything.
my
and then I'd
God.
be so rich. Like,
Yeah. And
none of
I would
that.
not be staying with my parents, basically. Yeah.
like that was like my.
But then, so does that make you think that maybe, like, because our lives are so different than what we envisioned, does that
Yeah.
make you think that, does that make you like feel scared? Like, can you like call this like your quarter life crisis?
Oh,
Maybe.
definitely. This is my quarter life crisis. I'm not joking. Like whatever I used to think when I was young, I'm not doing it. I thought I'll be like, oh, like I'll be just like I know
Yeah.
I keep repeating it, but that was like my point to be
Yeah.
independent.
Yeah, and like we're not independent, so then that is. But I
Yeah.
feel like
And then I also
we
did
still
think
have
that
time.
we would like, you know, like I do understand. Like I also did want to get married. I'm like, if
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
being very honest, like.
Yeah.
But I also just now I'm like, do I want to get married? I'm at a stage where I'm like, do I even want to get married?
Same.
Like, I feel like at that point we did not know the patriarchal
Yeah.
society and then all
Yeah.
of that.
All of these
Then
things.
It was just too romanticized.
Yeah. And I feel like I was in my own bubble. I was like, yeah, like I really thought that I was like in this fairy tale, that because I used to love reading like all of these books, and I was always reading about like fairy tales, and I was like, oh, once you get married, oh, it's like a happily ever after. So I was like, nothing goes wrong after you get married.
Yeah. Oh,
That
yeah,
was
yeah,
my
yeah.
kind of logic.
I get.
So, but now I've realized that that's not the case.
I get it.
I think I'm just, it's not even that. I feel like I'm just in my man hating era. I feel like the both of us, I feel like Ria's kind of more into that phase than I am, I guess. But that is, you know, one of the reasons why I feel like I don't want to get married. But never say never, okay? Anything
Yeah, like
can happen. It's
I just think that we think that right now because we are in an era, but obviously, like once we get older, we would want to get that. But I just think that let's not start that actually. Like
I think we should
just feel like this conversation will just become like an hour conversation of why marriage is like very patriarchal and all of that. So, but we do think that marriage is very patriarchal. I'll just say that.
Yeah.
But let's stop that there.
We have a lot of comments
Yeah.
about that, but maybe we can talk about it later.
In we can make a full one episode
Episode
about
on
it.
that. Yeah.
But then I just have to say it because we are 22 right now, and then
Yes.
this is the age where we can say it. But then do you resonate with what Taylor Swift said? That do you feel happy, free, confused, and lonely at the same time?
So I do feel happy. I'm not gonna say that I'm not happy. I am happy. As happy I can
Yeah.
be. Like I don't think I don't think I'm free, okay? Free is just I don't think I have the freedom to be
Yeah.
calling myself free. I am always confused. I feel like I am the most confused. Like this phase in my life, that is, she's so correct about it, that I feel like everybody's confused. Are you confused? I feel
Yeah.
like,
I am very confused. Oh my god.
yeah, I think I am lonely. I wouldn't say that I am lonely because I feel like I'm the wrong person to maybe talk about it, because I like to be alone sometimes. Not lonely. I like to be alone sometimes.
Yeah.
And I don't feel lonely because I feel like I have my few people that I have with, and
Yeah,
that's
like,
about it. I don't think I feel lonely. What
yeah,
about
like
you?
I do. I think I match with whatever you said. Like,
Yes.
I think, but I do kind of feel free, like in some things where it's like my mom has gotten better with letting me go out, so
Yeah.
I'm like happy about it. Like
Yeah.
earlier, do you remember? Even if I had to
Yeah.
go to your house, that would like be
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm
Yeah.
going to Tanvi's
Yeah.
house, and then she would be like, okay, like.
You're right.
So that is like, that is one thing that I do feel free about. Like,
Yes. That
but
that makes sense.
but that's the only thing which is like very basic, and I should have had that at 16. So let's not
Yeah.
talk about that.
So happy, free, confused, and lonely at the
And
same
lonely
time.
is like, I kind of feel like that, but not exactly. Like, it's not a bad thing. Like, I don't think it's
Yeah.
like a bad thing. Like, I
Yeah.
like what you said. I think that we both like to be alone, like a lot
Yeah.
of times, and
Yeah. I
it's
mean,
a
I
good
feel like
time.
there's a difference between being lonely and being alone. I
Yeah,
think,
yeah, no, it is.
and I feel like we want to be alone, and I don't
I
think
think
that
we
we
get
are lonely.
overstimulated very quickly.
Yeah.
So then I want to be alone when I'm overstimulated. Like, please don't irritate me. Please don't bug me. Like, all
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. I think it's the ADHD. Do
Yeah.
you feel like that sometimes? Do you feel like you have ADHD like
Yes.
symptoms?
Yes,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
genuinely,
Yeah.
which is like very bad to like say that. Like,
Yeah.
I get it, but
Yeah.
I genuinely do think that sometimes I
I mean, we're
really
not self-diagnosing
yeah,
ourselves. We're not saying that we have it. We
like
just
just
have the
yeah,
symptoms.
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
okay, and it's fine.
Yeah.
Like, it's okay.
It's fine.
What was our other topic? Wait, we have kind of written them down, so then we're just
Yeah.
reading through it. Also, it's like comparing yourself at 22 to other people who are 22. Do you like? Do you do that? And
Yeah.
do you think it's like,
I feel like it's not even just about being 22 and comparing yourselves to others. I feel like I have always been comparing myself to like other people. Like I remember that I used to do that with when I was small. Like I mean, I'm not like putting my mom under the bus. Like everybody does that, and I did that to myself. But she used to be like, look at that person. Like she's like coming first in her class. Like she studies and this and that, and then it's like that's how like. And I also did that with myself. I'm not putting my mom under the bus. I love her. She's the best. Mama, I hope you are listening to this.
I think you have to force her to listen to
Yeah.
this.
But I love
But
her.
yeah, I love your mom.
But that's how it kind of started. And I feel like now I do compare myself a lot with my fellow peers. It's not about, maybe like a lot of people when they think about like comparing themselves, they might compare, maybe like, I don't know if you were thinking like looks wise or whatever, but I am thinking in the way that, oh, like like now you are like working right now, like you are earning,
Yeah.
and I am the same age as you, but then I am not like working.
Yeah.
It's not even earning, it's like I'm not working, like I'm just going to college and coming back.
Yeah.
So then that, and then there are some people in my class who are already working, they have some internship that they're doing,
Yeah.
and they have like their side hustles going on, which kind of, it sometimes I'm thinking ki, okay, let them
Yeah.
do whatever they want to do, because they can do it, they can like
Yeah.
do multiple things. I can't do that. But then sometimes I feel like, but then I'm not doing anything in my life. Like what is it? Like I'm just studying. I'm literally 22, and most people have like
Yeah.
they work, they have proper like jobs that they go to, and I am not one of those people. So sometimes that's kind of scary. That is one of the reasons why I am going through my quarter life crisis. Like I just want to be, so I think I did mention that I'm doing like PharmD, which is like a 6-year course, and I want to be done with the course.
And I
So
feel
that,
like that course is like so long. Like by the
yeah,
time, like, it's like you will see other people graduating, and then it's like that. Then
exactly,
that is like kind of like, oh my god, like
yeah,
that
it
is how I
hurts.
feel right now.
Yeah,
I just want to
exactly.
like graduate. Like,
Ria's doing CA, but
I mean, I'm
that's like,
working, but it's
yeah,
still an internship,
yeah,
and then I
yeah.
get
I think the both of us will be done with everything, if
hopefully at the same time.
hopefully, yeah, in the year of 2027, and we'll be 24 that time.
Yeah, and then
So
yeah,
that is just crazy.
but no, even I do compare myself a lot to like the
Yeah.
people who are my age.
Yeah.
And I think one of them is like Alyssa, like she just won a medal in like Olympics, a gold
Yeah.
medal or something. And
Yeah.
I know that is like, I know that other people have like their own like journeys to go
Yeah.
through,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that is not what I should like be looking at. But
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
do feel like, I think I compare myself with a lot of people too. One is like whatever they have achieved at 22.
Correct.
Like a lot of people like my batch who were like with me have turned like, they have become a CA like this time.
Yeah.
And then that really like, oh my god, that was like such a like, I don't know how to say it, but like a slap to my face kind of.
Correct.
Like it was
Yeah.
like, oh
Yeah.
my god, like, you know, what am I doing in life? Like
Yeah.
I still don't even have my attempt right now. It's like in 2027. So like
Correct.
they were like kind of done with all of this and they have become a CA. So that kind of irritates me. Then second part is like, which is like, I know that it's like other people are like having a lot of fun, like, you know.
Yeah.
This is what I compare, which is bad. I am aware of
But
it.
no, I feel like it's natural. Like what you said, like when we were talking about this,
Yeah.
you said it's like a natural instinct that
Yeah, like that is
that
there.
it
Like
is.
other people are like having a lot of fun, and
Yeah.
I know this is like you are just going to be like, Ria, like you are not understanding, but I want to live like a college life, and I know you are in college and you like,
Yeah.
you want to work.
Yeah.
So I do think it's like the grass is always greener on the other
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that is true,
That's
but
true.
it's just like I also
Yeah.
kind of want to just be in a college, and then I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to like, I want to bunk lectures. I cannot
Yeah.
do that in office, and
Yeah,
like
makes
I
sense.
cannot do it. Like, you know, like
Yeah.
I want to bunk a lecture. I want to like have a fest or something, which we
Yeah.
don't have in
Yeah.
CA. So it's kind of like irritating.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
maybe we should have like a debate over this. Like you could say that, you know, going to college is better, and then I could say
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know,
Oh
working
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
better, something like that.
Yeah, like I do agree with that. It's like in
Yeah,
college you have an option to bunk it, okay? In
correct.
office I don't have that option. Like
That's you are completely
yeah,
right.
maybe we'll have that. Oh,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
We'll wait.
That was one of the ideas that we wanted to do, like a small
Debate.
debate.
So then maybe we'll debate about this.
Yes.
But yeah, so like
I wanted to actually add something to this. So like maybe this kind of goes with like looks, and I did say right now that I don't compare
oh,
myself.
I do
like,
compare myself
yeah.
with looks. I kind of forgot about that. Oh my god. I sorry, but continue your point.
No, you continue. Finish
No,
your
I
point.
just feel like I don't think I was ever like body conscious, like ever in my life. Like because
Yeah.
I used to swim, so one I was like always working out, like
She was a
always.
national level swimmer.
Oh my
I'm so
God.
sorry. I'm just always going to put that out there. Like,
Oh, you are so sweet. You are very sweet. But I love when you do that. But
yeah,
no, but I so because I was like I have swam for like at least like 18 or 20 years of my life. I do not know how many, but
oh my
I
god.
have swam that much. So then I was always working out, and then once we were done with that, like me and Tanvi, we joined dance, so then we were working
Yeah.
out there. But right now we are not kind of working out, and that has like made me very like
Yeah.
insecure. And
Correct.
because I was like swimming, like our costumes were pretty like,
yeah.
you know what I mean. So
Yeah.
I did not mind like being, because I like grew up like that. So I
Correct.
just don't like, a lot of people would find it like very not embarrassing, but
But
they would not feel comfortable is what I'm
maybe
saying. Like
they might
if
feel
that is like the first time that they wear like such type of a costume, they would not feel comfortable. But because I grew up like that, I just did not mind. But now I feel like I've become very conscious. Like
yeah.
I feel like I should not wear like sleeveless tops, which is like, oh my, which is
Yeah.
crazy to me, because I used to like wear a swimming costume, like,
Exactly.
and how am I feeling insecure now? So
Yeah.
like I do compare myself to a lot of people, like on, because I feel like Instagram is also like where you
Yeah.
look to so many like pretty
Yeah.
people, like
Yeah.
oh my god, girls are too pretty, like
Yeah.
I just have to put it out
Yeah.
there, girls are too pretty. But then
Yeah.
like once I look at them, like I obviously like do think that they are very pretty, but then I'm like comparing myself ki, oh, I wish I was like this, I was like my teeth were like somewhere, my
Yeah,
hair
yeah.
was somewhere, or like
Yeah.
my hands, arms, all of that.
Yeah, that's like a very valid like feeling for you to have. But adding on to that, I just want to say that you are the prettiest girl that I
Stop,
know.
you are.
So please don't think that way. But I understand you feeling that way because it
Yeah.
happens. Like that's
Yeah.
just, I feel like, the way that it is.
No, but you can say your point. I'm so sorry.
No, I was just saying that I'm not me. I don't maybe compare myself like I don't compare my looks with other people, with other people's looks, but I do compare my, I feel like I am quite underconfident as compared to other people who are like the same age. So I think I can't think of any example right now other than like people from like our dance class. So I know a
I
few
just know
people.
who you're talking
Yeah.
about. And
So she is just so confident, and I feel like that's one of the reasons why she is like, she's so like, you would always go up to her and maybe talk to her, like you
Yeah.
never feel like she's like a very approachable person, if that makes sense, and I want to be like an approachable person. I want people to come to me and feel comfortable talking to me, because I feel like I'm a very bubbly person. I'm not extroverted, I'm an ambivert.
Yeah, you
Because
are.
but once I start talking to people, then I just keep going on, but I don't come across as approachable, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I should be more confident.
I think I would like to disagree with that. I think you come off as very approachable. I think you
That
like
is,
come off as like the sunshine girl. Like I
Aw.
genuinely do think that
Yeah.
like just like
We,
talking to you is like not just me,
but
but
you are
I
my
do
best,
think
like
no,
you're my
like
best
not.
friend, you're my closest friend. I feel like
That's
you
what
would
I'm
say
saying.
that.
Like, no, but that's what I'm saying. Like I am not saying that just because you're my friend. I do think that you come off as
Oh,
like a sunshiny like person. Is what I
yeah.
think.
But
I
then you
genuinely
would
think.
agree to this, saying that I'm not as bold. Like I feel like
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are
you are.
bolder.
Yeah, I
You
feel
have
like.
become very bold, and I'm very
Yeah.
proud of you for that.
Oh yeah, like I do agree with that. I think that you are like, but I think you have also become.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
You are. We are
Yes,
in our reputation era.
we surely are in our reputation era.
So, coming to things that we have learned at 22. So we made like a small list. It's
Yeah.
not like everything, and it's not. I mean, it's just like a very small list. But we were like,
Yeah.
what have we learned at 22? Like
Yeah.
something that is like that other people can like relate to or need to learn, or
Yeah.
something like that. Like
And if you guys have any like comments, or if you want to say something, you can always put it in the comment section.
yeah.
Or
So
whatever.
you can tell us what you learned at 22 or something that we need to learn at 22
Yeah.
just by listening to whatever our conversation was.
Yeah. So what is one thing that you learned when you became 20?
So
Not 20, but in
I
your
think
20s.
till 22, like I think you and me, we have both learned it the very hard way right now, but we have learned how to protect our peace.
Yes.
We have learned it in a very like hard way right now,
Yes.
and it's okay to protect your peace. It's okay to let things go or
Yeah.
let people go or whatever
Yeah.
if it makes you like at
Yeah.
peace.
Like I feel like it's okay to be selfish sometimes, I
Yeah.
guess.
If it's
Yeah.
like if something is costing you your inner peace, I don't think it's
Yeah.
worth it.
Yeah, that's completely right. It's like sometimes people just don't deserve to be
Yeah.
around you. That is
Like
so
they
mean of me to say, but
no, I don't think it is mean of you to say at all. Because if somebody is like showing you what they like what they think of you and then
Yeah.
you repeatedly don't see it, then you
Yeah.
are like an idiot then after a point.
exactly, exactly.
So
It's
then
like your own
we
fault.
just chose not to be an idiot.
Exactly. I mean, it took us a while, but then we got there.
We got there. So one thing that we have learned is to protect our peace.
Yes.
The next thing, I think we are like very much people pleasers, so we have learned how to
Yes.
say no.
Yes. I feel like, yeah, that took us a while again.
Yeah, but we
We've-
are getting there.
Yeah, I feel like we still are people pleasers. Like, not people pleasers like in the way that, oh no, you have to like me, but I feel like even I am talking from, I guess, the both of us, because I feel like you are the same way. We want everybody to feel comfortable. Like, if you are in a group setting, you would not want anyone to feel, like out of place or feel uncomfortable. So that's why you would want to please the other person so
Yeah.
that they are comfortable enough to talk to you. If that makes sense. Am
Yeah,
I
yeah.
going
No,
wrong?
no. It does make sense.
But
A lot.
before, I feel like before we were like
We were like overly like people
overly
pleasers, like,
sweet.
oh my god, like
Like,
like
why did
we
the
would
person say
go
that about me? Like, why?
why, and then that used to bother us, and then we would like try to make it like
Yeah,
not a problem like for
correct.
them.
Yeah,
Which is like it's okay like if you are a certain way and everybody does not have to like you. Like that is
Exactly.
like what
Yeah.
I think we are still learning. We have not learned that.
Yeah.
Like we have so not learned that.
yeah,
But like you are not for everybody, and everybody does not need to like you.
yeah, exactly. And Gia, like, can I ask you a question? Like,
Yeah.
following that is, if you like, because we were like people
Yeah, yeah.
pleasers and we wanted people to like us, did you ever feel like you were faking it, or did you feel like you were kind of not changing your personality, but changing certain things about yourself which you would not maybe show in front of me or somebody else?
Yeah, like
But-
I think I have done that like a few
Yeah.
times, which is like I think, oh my god, like I think like this is so funny that I just said that, oh, I wanted to be independent. I was like in a man hating thing or something. But I do think that sometimes I was like a pick me when I was like a small child. I don't like pink, which is please, I used to love pink. That is so bad of me to do that. But
Aw.
so thank god that has changed. But
Yeah.
no, I do think like that is like a very small example. But to like me, like I would maybe in swimming or something I might have faked it, or
Yeah.
I don't really remember it, but I do remember like I actively wanted everybody to like me. Like that was
Yeah.
my thing. Like, oh,
Makes
everybody
sense.
needs to like me. If there was like
Yeah.
some person who did not like me, like there were some people who I just did not care if they did not like me, but that is a different thing. But like it was, I
Yeah.
wanted people to like me.
Correct. That makes sense. I also feel the same way. I feel like I more than you. I feel like I fake a lot.
Yeah,
I
I think you.
mean, that is a very rude thing. Not a rude thing, but I think it's. I just don't want to be. I don't want to make other people uncomfortable, or I don't want
You
them
don't
to.
want to be an inconvenience.
Exactly. You worded that very nicely. So, but I have like learned to not do that anymore, and we've learned to say no. Do you? Can you think of like an instance where you like said no and you were like,
I cannot right now. So now,
no, I
now I'm
can't think.
thinking
I was
like,
now I'm
have
thinking.
we learned that? I'm just thinking that maybe have we? I was like, as soon
Yeah.
as we started talking about it, I was like, we should give an example, and I cannot
Yeah.
think of one.
No, I can't think of one. But we have
We
like
have.
we've learned to stand up for ourselves. Ria.
Oh,
I feel like we have a
yes.
lot of
Things coming up.
situations. Yeah, yeah. I think we should
We should talk about it. Like, oh, like that is where we learn to say no.
exactly
We'll talk about it in like another episode
another
because
episode.
this will just be like 1 hour long. So
Yeah, and I feel like I don't know if that comes under this or if that's like a separate topic, but we've learned to be like more like we've learned to put ourselves first. So if that
yes,
makes sense, like trying to be more selfish, like coming back to the first point.
yeah,
But can I just explain this with an example? Is because I was thinking about it.
yeah, yeah.
It's like say right now, like I have my studies going on, and if I have to go out with say like if I have to go out with you and I'm spending time with you and then I don't like I miss 2 hours of my study and then I come home and
Oh,
then
yeah,
it's like oh it's fine like I was with my friend and I
yeah, yeah.
enjoyed it like a lot and the reason why that I came out with you is because I was feeling like very like oh आता मला बास झालाय अभ्यास like I need some
Huh,
sort
like
of release and that's why I came and met you. But then if I did the same thing, if I did not come and meet you and if I was just spending those 2 hours maybe reading or maybe
yeah,
like watching a show or something which I've been doing,
yeah.
but I would like I don't know if this is a good example, but I would like make myself like feel bad about it. Not
Yeah,
make
yeah,
myself,
yeah,
I
yeah.
would
No, no, I
I
get
would
it.
feel bad about it. But why should I feel bad about it if I needed that release and I was spending that time on myself, if that makes sense. Which I am
Yeah.
spending time on myself when I'm meeting you because I
No,
do
but
feel
I get
amazing.
it.
But
I understand. Like,
you understand where I'm coming from. Like
no,
if
I do
I'm
get it. Like
doing
people feel bad for doing things that are like
yeah,
good for them, which is like
exactly.
sometimes you need a break. Like
Exactly.
you need to take a break. You need to give yourself the time,
Yeah.
and it's fair and it's
Yeah.
valid. I do
Yeah.
think that.
I don't think I worded it as well as you did, but I hope that you understood the gist
No,
of it.
I know you
Yeah.
are like. I love hearing you talk. I'm
Shut
so
up.
happy that we
You're
started
so
this.
nice to me. Ria's the nicest person.
No, shut up, you are.
So
Which
just-
is like kind of cringe. This is the second time I'm saying it, but I genuinely do think that
yeah.
you are like you are a ball of sunshine.
Shut up. I feel like I don't want to say the same thing about you, but you are. I feel like people are gonna be listening. And I know certain people who are gonna be listening and they're gonna be like, I'm gonna stop watching now. Sorry, I'm not
They're just gonna like log off. They're gonna be like, this is
Yeah.
irritating. This like, oh my god, they have like as they say, परत चालू झालं तुमचं.
exactly.
So
He
the
banda
next
karta
thing
hai.
that we have learned is we don't always need people to do things, which is me and Tanvi were too guilty about it.
Yeah.
Me and Tanvi were too guilty about it. We needed
Yes.
somebody to just go to the grocery store and come back. Like our
Yes.
grocery store is like 200 meters, and I would still want someone to go with me.
Exactly. Which
I
I
want.
still want. Like
Yeah.
I would love like Ria and I like if we are together, we will do everything together. Ria has come with me to buy milk so many times because my mom's always asking me to bring milk before going home. Ria has come with me to buy Xerox copies. She has come with me to the
Yeah, like,
dentist, whatever.
that
Not
is like-
dentist.
I love doing that, but I do think that I have become like earlier I was like a person like if there's nobody with me to come and buy like bread, I will not buy bread. What? That is so extra. Like and I do know that you were like that.
Yeah, I was. And I no, I'm not that person anymore, which is kind
Yeah.
of shocking. I just realized ki, Atta, I don't need anybody
Like
to go get a bag of
I
milk
was
or
like
something.
earlier I used to like if like eating alone was like a foreign concept to me, and I have
Yeah.
started doing that. And it's like really nice, you know, like
Yeah.
I like doing it.
You
Which
know-
is like shocking because I never thought I would like it.
Yeah, you know, Ria, I know, like, I think you know who I'm talking about, but
Yeah.
this person,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
he's
yeah,
like our friend. He watches movies by himself. Like he
Oh
goes to the
yeah,
theaters,
that is
he
still.
goes to restaurants alone. If
I
he
can't
wants
do
to
it.
have like a sub, which he's always craving like a sub for some reason, he will go to Subway alone. He'll have his like sandwich and he'll come back. And I'm like, I could never do that. Now I can. I feel like now I can.
Now I can, but I still cannot. I cannot go to the movie alone. I'm so
Yeah, yeah.
sorry. Me and Tanvi
Yeah.
are the worst people to watch
Yeah.
a movie together. We start talking. I know that is
Yeah.
criminal, but we do that.
But I don't think it's the reason behind that is because we want to talk and discuss about things. It's not being us.
It's like, oh, you know, we should like do like a reaction.
Yes.
I think we are like a reaction type of people. Like
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are seeing something and we are reacting to it.
Yeah, I feel
Oh
like
my
we
god.
just have some crazy reactions. I feel like we are too expressive. Ria is more expressive than I am.
No,
I feel
I
like.
don't think so. I think we are like, I remember, was it like Animal or something we had gone to watch, and people were like, can you just guys sit together because you guys are irritating whoever's
Yeah.
beside us. So then we sat
Yeah.
together and then we discussed like the whole movie.
Yeah, it was like somebody was sitting between us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like
I
another-
know who, but
Should I say that, like another friend of ours?
yeah. He was sitting between us, and then he like got up. He made Tanvi like literally the movie was going on. It was like 30 minutes in, and then he got up. He like made Tanvi sit behind, like beside me,
Yeah.
and then we literally talked the whole time during the movie.
Yeah.
And that is like very bad, I know, and it's very irritating to other people, I know, but I
Yeah.
cannot help it.
I have to talk about things. Ria, since we're talking about Animal, like, do you want to talk about that in like Animal is like such a controversial movie.
Oh,
like, do you
yeah,
want to maybe
like,
talk about, because
We can
do
just
we
talk
have-
about it. No,
Yeah.
it's fine. Like it's okay. We can just talk about it. We'll keep it short. But what
Yeah.
did you think of Animal?
So we are so late to the party. Like Animal was released how long ago?
Too long ago.
But still, I just want to give my opinion. Like, I know that, the person, like the guy that Ranbir Kapoor was playing was like a very
Toxic.
bad person. He was a toxic person and everything. And I'm not saying that he was right in any way, but he was just playing the character. And I feel like it was in my opinion, okay, I know that I'm gonna get trolled, but in my opinion, it was a fun movie to watch. I'm not saying whatever happened in the movie was correct, but
it was in no way correct, but
it
it was
the
a movie.
name of the movie was called Animal. So who did you expect the character to be? Like a normal person? No, he was obviously portrayed as an animal, and that is why the movie's name was Animal. And he deserved whatever happened to him, like at the end of the movie. So if
Yeah.
you are thinking of it like morally speaking, he deserved whatever he got.
Yeah,
like his
like-
wife left him, his dad passed away, whatever.
Like
Did
it
he
was,
have kids in the
it
movie?
was, I think he did.
Yeah, sorry, I just
I'm
forgot.
not. He
Yeah.
did. He did.
So then,
So it was like, yeah, I do agree with.
yeah, and like people compare that with like Kabir Singh. So now, like Kabir Singh, I did not like, because that in the like at the end of the movie, he did not really like, he got his happy ending, and I did not like Kabir Singh as a character.
Yeah.
So I can say that I did not like Kabir Singh, but I would say that Animal, I'm not saying it was like an amazing movie. I'm just saying it was a fun movie to watch, and
Like
people
once.
just once. But people being like, oh my god, like they are like promoting like toxic behavior, and I was like,
Which
that they
I
are,
do get it, like where you are
Yeah.
coming from, because the youth is like
yeah,
youth, like I get it, like the youth is like, what is it called, like consuming this.
consuming
I was
this.
trying to think
Yeah,
of
yeah,
consuming, but
yeah.
like the youth is consuming this, and it's like I get it that India's youth is, I don't
Yeah.
want to speak about it, like
Yeah.
I just don't, I understand where they are coming from, but sometimes I feel like things get like blown up, like
yeah.
in some other context, like it was a
Yeah.
movie, it was made for entertainment
Yeah.
purposes. It
Yeah.
obviously, like I do not support that director in any single way.
Yeah,
Like I
no.
don't, I do not like him at all.
Sandeep Reddy Vanga.
Yeah, like I do not like
Yeah.
him, but like this is like our pink flags right now.
Yeah, exactly. I was
This
like,
is our pink flags
Yes,
segment right
yeah.
now. But no, it's just that I think that to watch that as a movie, it was the first half of it was very fun. The second
Yeah.
half was very boring, I have to
Yeah.
say it. But the first half, it was like happening, like
Yeah,
something
yeah,
was happening,
Yeah,
and I loved
exactly.
it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But coming back to the point where you were saying that the youth is like consuming this, and
Yeah.
I'm not saying that like,
I'm not saying they're right, but I'm just saying that
Yeah.
sometimes you obviously you
yeah,
have to expect that people have their own brains.
exactly, that is what I thought that people would maybe think about. But I completely agree with the fact that people are saying that, like they were promoting toxic behavior, which they were. But again, I thought that, he kind of deserved what happened
Yeah,
at
like-
the end of the movie. So I was like, okay, then I was in my head, it's like they were telling us a story about like
A bad man.
a bad man, like a you
yeah,
know.
like
Yeah,
the point of it was from the point of view of a bad man, and I'm not saying that it was like
exactly.
a good movie.
Yeah,
Like it was like a
yeah,
good thing, but I do think that whatever happened to him,
yeah,
he
yeah, yeah,
deserved. Like I completely agree with you.
yeah,
I
yeah.
never thought it in that way, but
No,
now that you've said it, yeah, like he completely
and
deserved
that's why I
it.
did not like Kabir Singh was because he kind of, it
Got
was like
his
a happy
happy
ending. So
ending.
no, I don't
Yeah,
like that.
no,
It's
I
like
get it.
you that in that movie, I was like you are kind of promoting toxic behavior
Yeah, 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 yeah.
because so that
Obviously.
that was like a pink flag. I don't know why we started talking about animal.
I have no idea. But let's go to being independent but also a baby at 22. Do you
Yes.
feel like that?
Yeah.
I feel like that so much.
Yeah, I feel like I like being a baby. Like I, if well, like when I go home, you should see me. I'm like always
Mama,
like
mama,
mama,
mama.
mama, mama. Like I'm always like behind my mom, and she's like, Tanvi, please, can you like be quiet? But I know that your mom is like a little different. I feel like she's more like
Yeah,
talkative, like she would talk to you. But my
yeah,
mom is the opposite. Like she's not like a talkative person, which is fine.
yeah.
Like I know people,
Yeah,
some
yeah, yeah,
people
yeah.
who don't want, like my dad is like the opposite of
Correct.
my mom. He's
Oh
like always
yeah,
talkative.
your dad and my
Yeah,
mom are like similar.
yeah. So it's like I'm always like behind my mom. Like I always need her for anything. Mama, like me, it is earlier, so like what should I wear? And I'm never gonna listen to her, but I need like, oh, am I looking nice? Like, or
Yes,
whatever it is, like I just need her to be there for every decision.
same.
Which is
Like
simply her.
yeah, no, I totally understand. I am independent. I would say that I
Yeah.
do think that you are independent, but we are like, as soon as I'm like sick, I'm like the
Yeah.
biggest baby. Like
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Like, but in front of my mom, like I want her to be like with me. Like, oh my god. And then with my
Yeah.
mom, I'm like, if I want to take some decision, I will ask my mom.
Yeah.
I listen to her. That is a different thing. But
Exactly. Yeah.
I am like a baby when it comes to like my parents and then
Yeah.
other people, and then it's like, oh, like
Yeah.
please, like just baby me, and I want to
Yeah.
be babied, which is like cringe right now that I'm
No.
saying it. It's very cringe. Like as soon as I said it, I was like,
But
oh,
maybe it's like you are like the Ria's like an only child. I have like a
yeah.
sibling. So maybe is that one of the reasons
Oh,
why?
it really might be like because
Yeah.
I'm like someone who does not like sharing and all of
Yeah.
that, like which is so like,
No, but Ria's always sharing her clothes with me.
oh yeah,
I'm so
I
sorry
am.
she does not share her clothes with you, but she does with
You
me.
you keep them. I think I'm like I love my clothes. I love my clothes. So it's like
Yeah.
if you are going to like wear them properly, I'll give it to you. But if you are going to like not keep them properly, I hate people like those.
Yeah, same. Ria, I'm so sorry. I just remember that I have to give you the blouse which you gave me. I was going to bring it today, but I forgot.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
And I have to give you your tiffin box also. Sorry.
Which tiffin box?
Your mom had given me dal bati churma, not
Oh, okay, okay,
churma,
okay.
in
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
Tupperware.
Okay, okay. We'll.
Again, I'm gonna talk about this, but Ria's mom makes amazing dal bati
I think this
churma.
is going to be like a topic. One day, then he's like, I think that is like my favorite dessert. And then I was like, are you sure? And then she's like, no, it's not. But then she was like, no, but I really think it is. It is like up there in the top
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, it is because it's so easy to eat. Like you can't get sick of it. At least I
Yeah,
can't get sick
I
of it.
can get sick of it.
Yeah.
I don't like it. But
I feel like churma is way better than like
dal
um,
bati?
no. Like remember I had come to your house and then your mom had made churma, but not with the bati, but
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was
yeah.
something else.
Yeah, I
I
get
don't
it.
know what it was, but
No, but I
I'm
understand.
that is what I wanted to say. That like the bati ka churma jo hota hai, that is
Oh, okay.
superior than
Because it's like the bati is like dripped in ghee and then
Oh,
it's like
acha.
dripping and everything. That is
I
why.
love it.
Yeah, but no, I don't like dal bati churma, which is like very bad, but I don't like it.
Right. I thought you kind of like you were like okay
I mean,
with it.
it's like I will eat it, but is that my favorite? Would I want people to make it for
That's
me? No,
yeah,
but I know you guys love it, so you
love
guys are always welcome. But
yes.
it's like, ugh, why are we having dal bati churma?
I love it. I am waiting for your mom to make it again.
Yeah, she will make it again. Don't worry. But
Yeah.
I think this is what
Yeah.
I think this is it for today. Like
We've covered I
at
think,
least
all of
our
the
points, that
topics.
whatever we wanted to cover, we have covered them.
Yeah.
And Tanvi, how are you feeling?
Riya, I'm so sorry, but did we like I just wanted to tell everybody, like I think we did mention this topic, but we did not tell them the story was that we were kind of sick of everybody, so we decided to just go to
Oh
Mumbai.
yeah, so oh yeah, this was like the example that we were thinking about was like what was it, like saying, like not either saying no or like just prioritizing like ourselves.
Yeah,
It was
exactly.
that like prioritizing ourselves. So what happened was we had like 4-5 people that we really wanted to go to, like 6-7 of us, like
Yeah.
this is like pretty old. I feel like 2-3 years ago or
Yeah,
2
I think it
years
was
ago.
2 years ago. Yeah.
Or was it like last year?
No, I think it was last year because
Oh, it was last year.
Aditya
It was last.
went.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
was last year.
Yeah.
So last year we were like, we need to like go to Mumbai. Like we had been planning to go somewhere from a long time. So then we were like, let's just go to Mumbai. And then there we were like, we asked like a lot of people, and they were like, no, we cannot come this time. We cannot come that time. Like we tried to make like a common time, but then everybody had like their own things where what how do I explain, like they
Yeah,
just
their
had like,
exams or something.
yeah, they had like their exams, they had like their things or something, or some like something or the other was like coming up. And then can
So sorry.
talking about like how people had their exams or like something or the other that was just coming up. So then we were like, you know what, like it was like we had been talking about it since like months. Okay, so then at
Yeah.
that point we were like, you know what, like why should we not go, like
Yeah.
just for like because people are not coming. So then the both of us just went, and it
Yeah.
was like the best time ever.
was the
I
best time.
still think of it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the food that we ate. Oh my god, I just
Amazing.
really want to go to Mumbai
Yeah,
now.
but I think we went for like a really short period of time. I feel like we should have stayed for maybe
Yeah,
a day more.
we'll go right
Yeah.
now. So then I was thinking that we'll go for like a longer time.
I'm so excited. And Jia just
Same.
sent me this one a reel on Instagram where she was showing me this one Airbnb or something.
Oh
It
yeah,
looked
yeah,
so cute.
oh yeah, oh I remember what.
Was it in where was it?
It was somewhere in,
Bandra,
yeah, like I
something.
don't remember, but
It was
I'm
amazing.
very excited. I think like I want to be like a Bandra baddie. I'm not a baddie in any way, but I
Yeah.
want to be a Bandra baddie.
I get it. But I'm very excited to go to Mumbai.
Yeah,
So that's
So-
that's the conclusion of this episode, is that we are gonna go to Mumbai.
yeah. And then I think the conclusion was also like that everybody needs to like prioritize themselves. That
Yes.
is like, I think everybody who is listening,
Yeah.
they need to implement this, that we
Yeah.
need to everybody needs to prioritize themselves.
Yeah.
It's okay to be a bit selfish if it comes to protecting your peace.
Yeah, exactly. Just learn to say no.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm so happy that we have like at least come somewhere to that. So I'm
Exactly.
very happy about it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I also wanted to add something. I feel like we were always those people who just talked about doing things, but I feel like this year
Yeah.
this year in 2026 we've
Oh,
started
yeah.
doing whatever we
And
wanted
I
to
am super
do.
proud of ourselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
I think that was the last point that I wanted to say.
Yeah.
This episode,
This was like very long. I did not
This
think that it
episode.
would be like this long.
yeah, it is like
Given our like last episode, I thought it would be like
Yeah.
a short or something like that.
but our last episode was like an introductory this thing.
yeah, and
Yeah.
I hope that this was as fun for you guys as it was for us, because I swear today I had so much fun here. Like I swear to God, I had
Yeah.
too much. Like the first episode, I don't think I had a lot of fun,
Yeah.
but I think today I had
Yeah.
so much fun.
I think we were kind of nervous, I guess.
Yeah,
the
we
first
were,
time.
But
But today was a lot of fun.
I'm like,
I'm very excited.
I think we should like stop the episode
Yeah.
now. But
yeah. If you guys want us to like talk about
some any topic that you think that we should talk about, like
Yeah.
put it in the comments, put it
yeah.
on our like Instagram, like
Yeah.
DMs, or just anywhere you want us
Yeah.
to, so we can like put attention. I was
Yes.
thinking maybe like a story time. So then
Yes.
like you give us like some stories of yourself, we'll tell it on the podcast.
Yeah.
Maybe we can like react to something.
Exactly.
I think me and Tanvi are like very reacty people. I don't
Yes.
think that's the word, but we are
No.
like very like reaction, like
very expressive.
So I think I would want. So I
Yeah.
think
we should do like our own story time also. We
Yeah.
have a lot of story.
Oh,
not
yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of actually.
No, but we'll do like a story time episode.
Yes.
So okay,
Like,
like
do you want to tell them like where to follow us? And
oh
everything?
yes, like so you can like. So as I'm supposed to say, like I love saying it. So like comment, subscribe on YouTube. I love saying that.
Aw. yeah. Even I have always wanted to say it. Like it's so fun. Oh, I
Like
have
it's like
like, comment, and subscribe.
But follow us on Instagram. The name is For the Records, and
For the record talks, I think. No, it's
oh
not.
yeah,
What is it?
I'm not sure.
We should
Which is
know.
bad. This is our channel. We have to be more serious. But and on Spotify, we are gonna post this. So
So
like
then you-
rate us on Spotify. Is it not that?
Yeah, I don't think people can comment on Spotify. I don't.
No, I
but
don't
I
think
think they
so.
can rate us on Spotify.
Oh yeah.
Please give us 5 stars.
Please, please.
yes.
But yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. Actually, not a
Yes.
good week. I hope you
Yeah.
have a great time and a great week.
Yeah. And with that, I think can we like conclude by saying we're going off the record now?
Oh yeah, we're going off the record now.
That should be our outro.
Oh yeah, you always remember that. I always forget it, but
Yeah.
you say it so cutely. So
Oh, shut up. You say it now.
okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.